Welcome to Workforce Workshop. I'm your host, Chiraz Kelly, and today we're tackling a topic that's at the heart of every successful company: attracting and retaining top talent. In today's competitive job market, candidates have more choices than ever before. To stand out, companies must create recruitment processes that are transparent, engaging, and ultimately provide a seamless candidate experience. But what does a transparent and engaging recruitment process look like? How can organizations make their hiring process a true reflection of their values and commitment to top-tier talent? And what role does technology play in creating a positive candidate experience? In this episode, we'll explore why enhancing your recruitment process is crucial to attracting top talent, and we'll share practical tips on how to improve your hiring strategies to stand out to the best candidates in the field. The importance of transparent recruitment processes. To begin, let's explore why transparency in recruitment is so important. Transparency goes beyond just being open about job responsibilities or company culture. It's about being clear with candidates at every stage of the hiring process, setting expectations, and offering insights into the company's values, vision, and what candidates can expect throughout their journey. Building trust. Transparency builds trust with candidates. When job seekers know exactly what to expect during the hiring process, whether it's interview steps, feedback timelines, or salary ranges, they feel respected and valued. Trust is the foundation of any relationship, and recruitment is no exception. When candidates trust your process, they're more likely to engage seriously with your company and remain invested throughout the process, attracting the right candidate. Transparency helps attract candidates who align with your company's values, culture. Clear communication about job expectations, company and growth opportunities allows candidates to make informed decisions about whether they are a good fit. This also helps reduce turnover by ensuring that only candidates who are a true match for your organization progress through the hiring process. Improving candidate experience. A transparent process leads to a better overall candidate experience. Candidates who understand the process and feel that their time is respected are more likely to leave the process with a positive impression, even if they don't land the job. This leads to positive word of mouth, helping your company maintain a strong employer brand. Why candidate experience is key to attracting top talent. Now that we've covered the importance of transparency, let's shift focus to candidate experience, the key driver in attracting and retaining top talent. The candidate experience is not just about how candidates feel during interviews, it's about the entire recruitment journey from the moment they first interact with your company all the way through to their onboarding process. A positive experience throughout the recruitment process can help attract the best candidates and create long-term advocates for your brand. First impressions matter. The recruitment process is often the first real interaction a candidate has with your company. Whether it's through your job listing, your company's website, or the initial contact they have with your HR team, every touch point matters. A seamless application process, clear communication, and timely responses set a positive tone from the start. Engaging, two-way communication. Top candidates want to feel heard and valued throughout the hiring process. This means engaging them with clear and consistent communication. Respond to applications promptly, keep candidates informed about their status, and provide constructive feedback when necessary. Don't let candidates feel like they're in the dark. This type of communication keeps them excited about the opportunity and strengthens their commitment to the process. Respect for candidates' time. Top talent is in high demand and they're likely exploring several job opportunities at once. Make sure your recruitment process respects their time. Avoid unnecessarily long interview cycles or lack of clarity about next steps. A streamlined, efficient process demonstrates that you value your candidates and that your company is organized and respectful of their time. The role of technology in creating an engaging recruitment process. Technology is playing an increasingly important role in shaping the recruitment landscape. By leveraging innovative tools, employers can create an engaging and efficient hiring experience, both for candidates and recruiters. Let's take a look at how technology is transforming the recruitment process. AI and automation. Artificial intelligence is transforming recruitment by automating many repetitive tasks, such as screening resumes and scheduling interviews. These tools save recruiters time and ensure that the process remains unbiased and efficient. Candidates benefit from faster responses and a more streamlined experience. For example, AI can help match resumes with job descriptions more effectively, ensuring that only the most qualified candidates are considered. Applicant tracking systems. ATS. Applicant tracking systems, or ATS, have become a staple in modern recruitment. These systems help recruiters manage candidate information, streamline job postings, and track application progress. For candidates, ATS systems provide a user-friendly interface for applying to jobs, tracking their application status, and even receiving automated updates throughout the process. Video interviews and virtual recruiting. The rise of video interviews has made it easier to connect with top talent, regardless of geographic location. Virtual recruiting platforms allow companies to reach a wider pool of candidates while saving time and resources on travel and logistics. Video interviews also allow recruiters to assess candidates' communication skills and cultural fit more effectively, all from the comfort of their office. Candidate portals and mobile recruiting. Candidate portals and mobile recruiting apps are becoming increasingly popular for enhancing the candidate experience. With these tools, candidates can apply for jobs, check the status of their applications, schedule interviews, and even chat with recruiters all from their smartphones. This level of convenience makes the recruit process more accessible, efficient, and engaging for candidates. Crafting a seamless, engaging recruitment process. Let's move beyond theory and talk about how to craft a seamless and engaging recruitment process. How can your company create a recruitment journey that stands out and attracts top talent? Here are some practical tips. Simplify the application process. The first step to a seamless recruitment process is simplifying the application process. Avoid long and complicated forms and make sure the application process is user-friendly. Candidates should be able to upload their resume, input their information, and submit their application in just a few clicks. Set clear expectations. From the outset, make sure candidates know what to expect. Provide a clear timeline of the recruitment process and outline the steps involved. For example, candidates should know when they can expect to hear back after applying, how many rounds of interviews there will be, and what materials they need to prepare. This transparency keeps candidates informed and engaged throughout the process. Communicate, communicate, communicate. As we mentioned earlier, communication is key. Make sure candidates are regularly updated on the status of their application, especially after each interview stage. Even if they aren't selected for a role, provide constructive feedback to help them improve for future opportunities. Maintaining this line of communication reflects well on your brand and keeps candidates invested. Personalize the experience. Candidates want to feel like more than just a number. Personalize your communications by addressing candidates by name, referencing specific details from their resume or interview, and tailoring your outreach. This personalized approach makes candidates feel valued and respected, enhancing their overall experience. Measuring the success of your recruitment process. Finally, how can you measure whether your recruitment process is truly engaging and effective? Let's look at some metrics you should track to ensure you're attracting top talent. Time to hire. Tracking the time it takes to hire candidates is an important metric. A long hiring process can frustrate candidates and cause them to lose interest. So aim to streamline your process without sacrificing quality. Candidate satisfaction. Survey candidates after their interviews to gather feedback on their experience. What did they like about the process? What could be improved? This valuable feedback will help you continuously refine your recruitment strategy and improve the candidate experience. Quality of hire. Ultimately, the success of your recruitment process is measured by the quality of the hires you make. Track performance metrics of new hires and compare them to your recruitment process to ensure that your process is attracting the best talent for the role. As we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that a transparent and engaging recruitment process is key to attracting and retaining top talent. The more you invest in creating a positive candidate experience, the more you'll stand out in a competitive job market. Remember, every interaction with a candidate is an opportunity to strengthen your employer brand. By making your recruitment process seamless, transparent, and engaging, you'll not only attract top talent, but also ensure that your company becomes a magnet for the best and brightest professionals. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to subscribe and share it with your colleagues. Join the conversation on social media and let us know how you're enhancing your recruitment processes to attract top talent.